In a distant land, a young shepherd named Santiago embarks on a journey to find his personal legend. Guided by a mysterious king, Santiago learns to listen to his heart and follow his dreams. Along his journey, Santiago encounters an alchemist who teaches him the secrets of the universe. Through omens and signs, Santiago discovers the true meaning of life and the importance of pursuing one's destiny. With the help of the alchemist, Santiago learns to transform lead into gold and discovers the power of his own mind. As Santiago reaches the end of his journey, he realizes that the treasure he sought was within him all along. The Alchemist is a timeless tale of self-discovery, following one's dreams, and finding the true essence of life.